Welcome everyone to another car blog. You have seen previously driving this 2012 Mini Countryman SD already for 8 years or so, and Mini compact and stuff. Don't really want something bigger, but eventually maybe you got a little junior baby and stuff and need a little bit storage space, so certainly not getting a new car. So today let's get a roof box on there because storage space and hip and trendy and stuff. So let's test install that and see how that goes and looks. So then unlocking the cover and installing that on the roof rails. So they have here indications front left, front right and stuff, and original Mini made in Romania. So it comes with a special 6 Nm torque key, open fully obviously. Rear left. So according to the read the freaking manual, 26 centimeter here from the end. I think I don't have some like construction measurement thing in the office, so let's just use a standard DIN A4 that is 29.7, so like 3 centimeter left, right? So that would be. So according to the freaking manual distance center of front and back, there 70.5, and that is conveniently 2 1/3 DIN A4. So $705 mil there. Sorta, kinda, 6 Newton meter. Check after the first 15 kilometers or every 500 or so, and obviously common sense and stuff. So this rubber cover might be different size, thank you very much. Also probably should have done that first, but that comes from following the instruction. Top-notch secure as your next best VPN. So roof box. So actually that was very clever. Of course you need to have this removed to install the roof box. So yeah, we did this for nothing, but that is how you would do this if you long-term drive without the roof box. Also this locks, precision engineering. So then this piece is in here. Didn't find whether front or back, but maybe maximizing the area we can use fastening straps here. So let's try that. This even moves. Interesting. So yeah, this plastic thing there moves, if you can see. So then those bolts through here. I see how you want to do that too. Much to reading the freaking manual actually found the issue, so but also usability fail, because I basically measured that from the back, because this picture obviously to me look like from the back, but it's from the front. Also the front cross roof rail is B, Y is like the front rail B, that's like, yeah, so that obviously will make quite a difference there. So a little bit more to the front. So that's what we're here for, reviewing this stuff and doing it right and finding some tips in the end. Probably not getting into all parking spaces anymore, but yeah, so some drawback there. I hope you got some inspiration and learned something, and hope to see you soon for the next videos and tinkering to come.